Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So before we get started, yes, I'm currently in my mom's room. I'm working on it. It is not done, so you guys don't have to ask. I don't know when it's gonna come out, but it will. That's number one. Number two, I'm recording on my new camera. Let me know how you like it. I don't know, I think it looks really good. I wanted it more so for the autofocus on it, so I don't have to keep, it's a lot of work for me to, I normally record, stop, zoom in, stop. It was just a lot, and I wanted to just cut that part of my videos out. So thank you to my friend. I don't know if she wants to be known, but she knows who she is, and I said thank you like 250 million times to her for grabbing this camera for me. That's number one. Number two, and finally number three, today's video is sponsored by Bed Bath & Beyond. And since we're on the topic of gift giving, you know, my friend gifted me the camera, today's video is pretty much going to be talking about a little bit of home decor and then also gift giving. Let me just start off by saying, this may not be for everyone, okay? You guys already know I'm about keeping my house together, keeping my house clean, making sure things smell really good, cooking well, you know, all that lifestyle things, lifestyle channel. So the things that I'm going to be sharing with you guys, keep that in moderation. You may not want to gift your friends some of these things, but maybe you might want to. And for those of you guys that are definitely here for it, definitely stay tuned. So a while back, I had a collaboration with Calphalon, and you guys, I had the stainless steel set. No, I had the non-stick set. With this collaboration, I wanted to pick up the stainless steel set, you guys. It's so pretty. Let me show you guys this side. Let me hold it. The entire technology behind the pot set is that they are space savers. It's pretty heavy. Kimmy, you want to come help me real quick? The way it's set up is to be space savers, so that way you can put it under your cabinet and not to worry. You guys, this thing is heavy. Let me just hold the little baby one. All right, very similar to the non-stick. It actually has the full instructions here on the back of what you can use and what you cannot use on it. That way, you know. So pretty much, this is the Calphalon Premier. You can use induction, gas, electric, of course, glass top. You can use metal utensils. And again, if you have the non-stick, you can also use metal utensil. It is hard anodized, but 100% you guys already know. I told you guys in the past, Premier, Signature, Elite are the ones that I purchased that I think are just really, really great in terms of quality. A little pricey, but it's worth it. The next thing that I grabbed was a wok. This one is pretty small. It looks small on camera. It's not as small in person, but it's still small. This one is a 10-inch, and considering, you know, household's a little bit smaller now, I wanted to do like stir-fried vegetable, if I do like a chicken stir-fry, or even like a lo mein or something like that. Then I have this. I do plan on getting like a bigger one if I can find one. But this one also is from Calphalon, from Bed Bath & Beyond. You guys already know that I swear by this because I already have this. But I wanted a second one just because sometimes I find myself kind of overstuffing this just to kind of get the meals completed. Now I have two. But this one here is Calphalon Contemporary, the non-stick hard anodized panini pan. I use this, if you guys have been on my channel, I use this to do grilled shrimp, I do grilled chicken, I do steaks in here, and it leaves a really beautiful grill mark on it. I think it's just really great. If you know someone who is in the middle of purchasing a home, definitely this would be a really, really great housewarming present. So, because there are so many pots and pans, and I have quite a bit, I haven't really had an issue with the lids breaking. What I have had an issue with is if I'm cooking and I put something in the oven, sometimes it's hard to get the stain from around the trim of the glass right here. So I know I'm a little particular about my stuff. So I did end up getting a 10 and a 12-inch lids to just, I wouldn't say replace, but just as a backup, you know? If I'm home cooking and I'm just cooking, I'll probably use my older ones, you know? But then if I'm having company and I want to make a really great impression, I'll probably pull out my new ones to be like, ooh, this girl trying to feed us with some dirty stuff. I'll pull out the really clean new ones, you know. I picked up another, you guys, listen, if you've seen me cook on my channel, you know that I swear by these pieces, which is why I had no issue to grab another one and have two. But this one here is the non-stick grill pan. This is 11 inches, really nice, super heavy. Again, you can put the steaks, you can put, now this right here, if I was having like a family get together, I would just do 4, you know, like 4 steaks or something, and like fill this thing up with some shrimps or some grilled shrimps. I've even put skewers on here. I made sure to cut everything really, really small to cook it and cook it on low heat, just so that way it cooks evenly through. But it leaves a really nice grill mark on it. I don't really like being outside grilling just because I don't do the smoke really well, and I feel like the food always tends to burn, so I don't really like using it. But 100% I feel like if you're doing something really quick, you know, you can just use these, you know. This is the last item for Bed Bath & Beyond, and if you guys don't know, again, you guys know I'm in the middle of like the home process and everything like that, so I definitely home related. I need it. So this is the Shark Lift Away Pro Steam Pocket Mop. First of all, I was oohing and ahhing and drooling on Instagram Live, and I was just like, this is the Mag Daddy of all steamers. This one here, how they used it was for the what is it called, the range hood. And I was like, yes, yes. You guys know when it comes to cleaning that thing, I always get on the counter, spray it down, clean it. And I'm like, okay, perfect. The microwave, the hood, the stove top, because it's a glass clip top, perfect, right? This guy here steams your drapery. Even if you have to steam your bedding, you steam your bedding, you steam your drapery. If you're going out really quickly, you can steam your shirt. So I was just like, come on. And then of course, lastly, this guy here is for your floors. So let's just say I'm steam mopping the floor. You flip this just like this when you're mopping, and you press the button on the vacuum. And this top hose right here releases steam from the top spigot. You see that? Right here. So if you're cleaning and the kids drop syrup or sticky juice or honey, you know, as you're mopping and you're cleaning everything, you're like, oh my gosh, is this thing coming up? You flip it, you press the steam button down, you steam it, and it's super hot. And then you flip it back and then you mop. Or if this side is already too dirty, you flip it over on this side and then you mop the rest of the floor. What I really love about it is you don't have to touch it after you get done cleaning. Again, let's just say the top hose is on. You put this down and this opens right up. But if you, of course, if you did it with it together, it would fall to the floor because it wouldn't be in your hand, you know. That way, you don't have to touch the sticky, icky stuff. You can go right over your washer and just open it, let it fall in, and you can wash it. And this right here is your extension for you to touch on here, attach everything. This attaches to, let me show you guys. I want you guys to see because I'm not going to put it together because everything is going to be packed up. I want to show you guys because, oh, y'all. I tell you, this vacuum, this must be the one for the, yes, I'm so sorry, y'all. This is for the range hood. Sorry, this one's not. So sorry. This guy right here is the one that is for the range hood, you guys. So pretty much, you would attach it here. You have your little, to put your water, right? And then you take this. This is the body of the vacuum. You pull this out and it becomes handheld. You guys, I'm just like, you take that, you pop it on, and of course you fill it up with your water, and then you start to get to work. I love this, and it just steams out. I don't want to fill it up with water or anything and give you guys a demonstration of it. because y'all know my situation. The price point on these products are just really great and affordable, especially when you're talking about friends. And I don't mean associates, I mean like your friend. Like I've got, I would say 4 to 5 people that I would consider like a really great friend, and I wouldn't mind spending over $60 or even over $100 for them. This guy right here on Bed Bath & Beyond's website, I think it came to like $116. That is not bad at all for something that does so much. You can steam your floors, you can steam your range hood, you can clean the corners, you can sanitize, you can steam your clothing, you can steam the bedding, you can do everything with this. This is not bad. If you think about the amount of money you spend going to the cleaners, this is not bad to gift to your friend, even your parent. This is a really great gift. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. As I said before, the people that are in your life that love on you, that support you, that are there for you 100%, do not be afraid to pour into them as much as they pour into you. And you don't have to pour into someone financially. You can just call them and check on them and things like that. But if you have the means and you are able to, definitely love and support and be that person for them also. That's pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.